SMU Masters Day is an opportunity for you to discover your future. Talk to our faculty, our alumni, our program advisors, and find out more about how the portfolio of our SMU Masters program can help you in your career progression.
It should be something that you are intrinsically motivated in.
Coming back to school, having a network, having this very active discussion, give this education a lot of richness and the body of knowledge.
The SMU pedagogy really emphasizes that. And the classes are like conversation.
We invest significant amount of resources into helping you be a better professional.
Singapore is the financial heart of Asia. It is like one of the top universities in Asia and also worldwide. It really fits my needs. I want this maybe is the next step for my career.
You will have the unique opportunity to immerse yourself, invest in yourself in a learning environment that will propel you for the future. So discover your potential and be future ready. Go places with SMU Masters.